I'm building a personalized gifting brand from zero. No shortcuts, no random products, just the real process step by step. So I'll do this with help of print on demand apps. Everyone tells you how to start a print on demand store, but no one tells you how to make it look like a real brand. That's what I'm doing here. So first of all, search Shopify on Google. Click on the first link. Start for free. So you can sign up with by entering your email address or just use the Google. Choose your account. Continue. So Shopify gives you 3 days free trial, and after that $1 a month for the first 3 months. So you can add your card details and subscribe, but I just skip. So what can we help you to do? I'm just selecting sell online, and what should we call your store? So you can enter your own name here for now. We can connect the real domain later. It's not permanent. Continue. So here's the dashboard. If you're a beginner, don't panic. We will do everything in steps. So right now it's empty, no products, nothing. That's normal. This is a brand new store. So before adding products, we have to install two apps. Go to setting, then apps, Shopify App Store. So we have to search Printify. This is our first app. Printify print on demand. Install, install. So now we have to connect Shopify with Printify. So if you already have an account, just log in. I don't, so I'm just sign up. So what's your main goal? Start a business. Do you have experience selling online with print on demand? No. How much time do you plan to put into this Printify store? So you can select not sure. I'm coming to Printify as a and make money selling online solo entrepreneur. So where do you plan to sell your products? So I wanna go with UK. One last question. How did you hear about Printify? Shopify. Get started. So here's the Printify dashboard. There are unlimited products here, but we are not picking random products because we are building a brand, not a general print on demand store. So now we have to move to our next step. Next step, again, go to Shopify App Store and search ShineOn. Install. So again, we have to create account here also. I agree. Continue. Get started. So no thanks. I'll figure out. So now the both apps are connected. So, but the real design process is next. That which products actually fits our brand. That's a whole video on its own. If you are building something similar, subscribe so you don't miss it. And if this helped, share it with someone who want to start his own business. See you there.